In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest website. Start by opening your browser and going to renderforest.com. This is the hub where you can create videos, logos, mockups, websites, and more. Before you start creating, look to the top right and click Sign In. On the login screen, pick your preferred sign-in option, such as using a Google account. Authenticate securely on the official page, and once it's done, select your account to complete the sign-in. If you're new, the platform will walk you through setup automatically. Otherwise, you'll land on your dashboard. You'll arrive in the home section. Think of this as your control center. You'll see a welcome area, plus suggested tools and quick shortcuts based on what people commonly make. Take a moment to scan what's available. This helps you find the right starting point without hunting through menus. Next, open the Templates area from the navigation. Templates are the fastest way to get professional-looking results. Here you'll find ready-made starting points for videos, websites, logos, mockups, and graphic designs, as well as AI image options. Hover over a template to preview how it looks, and when you like one, open it to customize colors, fonts, text, and media. Templates save time and keep your branding consistent. If you want an even faster workflow, check out AI tools. These tools can help you generate content from prompts, like turning a script into a video or creating images and designs with AI assistance. It's great for brainstorming or getting a first draft you can refine. Keep your prompts clear and concise for best results. When you're ready to manage your work, head to Projects. This is where your recent creations are collected. You can open any project to continue editing, duplicate versions for testing variations, or organize items so you don't lose track. It's a good habit to name projects clearly as you go. Next, visit Files. This section shows your exports and uploads. Think rendered videos, images you've added, and other media assets. Use it to quickly find final outputs or to reuse assets across multiple projects. If you plan to export in higher quality, make sure you keep track of what you've already rendered. Finally, check storage. Here you can see how much space you've used and what's available on your plan. If you work with lots of media, keeping an eye on storage helps avoid surprises when uploading or exporting larger files. And that's the tour. Sign in, explore templates, try AI tools, manage everything in projects, keep track of assets and files, and monitor your storage. You're ready to build with Renderforest.